How to make money from home. 5 easy ways to start today. Are you looking for ways to make money from home? Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or just looking for extra income, I've got you covered. Today, I'll share with you 5 practical ways to earn money from the comfort of your own home. Segment 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the most popular ways to make money from home. It allows you to leverage your skills and get paid for them. Types of freelance work: writing, graphic design, programming, digital marketing, etc. Where to start? Utilize platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Tips: build a strong portfolio, set competitive rates, and maintain good communication with clients. Segment 2. Online tutoring or teaching. If you're skilled in a particular subject, online tutoring or teaching could be a great option. Platforms: utilize websites like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, or Udemy. How to start? Create a profile, set your availability, and start teaching students worldwide. Tips: engage with your students and get feedback to improve your sessions. Segment 3. Selling products online. You can also make money by selling products online, either through your website or on platforms like eBay, Etsy, or Amazon. Types of products: handmade crafts, digital products, drop shipping, etc. Decide what products to sell, create an online store, and market your products. Tips: focus on high-quality photos, great customer service, and competitive pricing. Segment 4. Content creation. If you have a passion for creating content, how to earn ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or selling your products. Getting started. Choose a niche, create valuable content, and build an audience. Tips: be consistent, engage with your audience, and learn search engine optimization or platform algorithms. Segment 5. Remote work or virtual assistant. Many companies are looking for remote workers or virtual assistants for various tasks. Common tasks: support, social media management, customer service, etc. Platforms to find jobs: FlexJobs, Remote.co, or Indeed. Tips: build a professional resume, highlight your remote work skills, and apply to multiple positions. Conclusion: so, there you have it. 5 different ways to make money from home. Whether you're freelancing, tutoring, selling products, creating content, or working remotely, there's something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments which method you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.